Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today I want to show you a set of roof bars and a roof box that were sent to me by this video's sponsor, baretransport.ro. You can order these items even if you are not living in Romania. They ship in all the European countries. Installation is very simple, very quick, and I will show you the main reason why I choose these bars and this roof box, because the roof bars on the new Duster, if you get the journey trim level or the expression or the essential, are not modular, and you have to order a different set of roof bars that can be fitted only in this positions here and over here. So let's go on and unbox the roof bars and install them on the roof. So these are the roof bars. This is the box that came in. These ones are from Thunder Carrier, and let me just show it to you. Okay, so we have the roof bars itself. This is how they look like. This is the profile. We have a rubber strap that comes on top of these roof bars. This line right here is for you to know which side to install it. And let me just show you very quick the user manual. Yeah, so we have to install this side on the back, which means that the roof bar will stay like this. This side on the back of the car and this side on the front of the car. Let me just quickly insert the rubber strap. Okay, everything is settled. Let me just take this away. And now let's see the accessory box. Yeah, so we have 4 plastic parts like this. And these are the fixing tools. We got a nice Thunder Carrier keychain. Okay, I think I will use it. And let's install these. This is the lock position and this is the unlock position. We have to unlock each and every side to remove the cover, so we can have access to these bolts right here. Okay, so this rubber part should come under. Yeah, so we have to use this bolt right here, and when we screw it, it will move like this. The installation is very simple. You can fit the fixing plate on one side. On the other side, you will have to fix it after you put the bar into position, and you just have to be sure that the long screw goes through the both holes, the one from the exterior part and the one from the interior part. After the bar is set up in its final position, all you have to do is screw the last one, and the installation is almost complete. So the installation of the roof bars is complete. One of the last steps is to screw this bolt in. It will fix the roof bars into the plastic parts, and the last step is to install these This is the open position and it comes off. You cannot take the keys off. And this is the closed position and you can take the keys off. It's very nice that we have this cover. Yeah. And this is the final position for the roof bars. The rubber strap needs to be cut. You have to cut it both sides or just one according to the final length of the bars. Now let's put the roof box and see how the car looks with the roof box on top. Yeah, so the roof box is on top. Let me just show you how easy it is to install it. All you need to do is make the proper holes according to the positions of the roof bars. And this particular roof box is it's okay because it has many holes, so it can be fitted on various models. And in the case of our Duster, it comes very nicely. I choose this position. I think it's okay, but if I don't like it, I can always move it in the back, more in the back, or more to the back, or more to the front. So we have these metal plates, we have these screws adapters, so we can easily screw and unscrew the roof box, and of course this adapter that will hold the roof box in the front. For safety, we have this this locking mechanism with 2 keys. Yeah, so everything is very handy and specially designed for anyone to install it without complications. One thing I recommend you, if your roof bars don't have a rubber band on the lower part, you should use some rubber, so this metal part won't be sitting on this metal part. It will scratch the paint, and it's not that good. It would have been nice if these fittings had a rubber coating on top. These are the roof bars and the roof box that you can buy from baretransport.ro. On the website you can find roof bars for various models, roof boxes, other roof bars for the new Duster, and many more. The installation was very quick, about an hour for both accessories. And if you have other questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching, thank you for your support, and until next time, drive safe. Bye bye.